I am Ben, and this is ConEquip 101. Today, we're going to show you what does it actually mean and how do I go about getting a tag off of an excavator final drive. Coming right at you now. So why is it important to get the tag information off of your final drive? Well, it holds the keys to accurately quoting and you receiving the correct final drive. So the tag information has a bunch of brand names on it, codes written on it. It's okay. You don't have to know it. All you got to know is that it will ensure you the correct final drive. It'll ensure that the hydraulic motor and the reduction assembly are meshing correctly, because that's what it's all about. We want you to go straight, not in a circle, okay? So what tools are you gonna need? Well, you're gonna need a ratchet and a socket. You're also going to need a rag. Yes, that's it. That's it. And you gotta know which way to turn the ratchet, but you're on your own for that. You got a dust cover plate, as I call it, just tin plate. You got one on this side. You also got one on the other side. And almost 98%, maybe even 99% of the final drives are the same on the right side and on the left side for mini excavators all the way up to the big excavators. So if what we're doing, the tag is missing, you just check the other side. We got to take these 3 bolts off and then wipe the tag, okay? I didn't really do it that fast. We just sped up the video. You can see it gets a little mud in there. Imagine that. And then if you take a look on the inside, you got a whole bunch of mud down caked in here, okay? But I see a tag. I see a tag. Use your rag that you brought with you. Clean it all up. This one's even got a Bobcat part number on it, but the type on this particular one is what I'm interested in as well. And that gives everything we need to know. So when you're calling in for a final drive and you need to get your machine up and running, if you want to do this ahead of time, just have that tag information. Maybe you've taken the whole final drive off. You've got that tag information. Take a picture with your cell phone. And when your parts reps ask, hey, do you got the tag info off it? You're going to say, yes, I do. It'll ensure the accuracy to get your machine back up and running, making you money, keeping your customers happy. And that's it for ConEquip 101. I am Ben. Remember to like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to send us a tweet on Twitter, darn it, you just go ahead and do it. Talk to you guys later.